Alright, so what seems to be a problem?
My teeth are very sensitive.
Sensitive? Where?
At the top.
All
This
right.
one right here.
I'm just gonna have a look in your mouth, if that's alright with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah? Okay, so if you just want to get comfortable for me, please.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, I need you to open your mouth nice and wide for me, please. Thank you. Oh Lord, Papa Jesus, me eye them. Ah,
What's
oh
wrong?
me eye them upon me. Lord, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, me can't see me a turn Stevie Wonder.
Are you
Lord.
okay?
Oh, girl, you didn't brush your teeth them this morning.
I did.
Me eye them upon me. Ah.
I don't
Why
understand.
smell like rum rat in your mouth? Oh, why you just do rinse you out? Get up, man, and close your mouth. You try to kill me. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh, me eye them. Me feel like me just cut one onion. My gosh, me eye them a bun me, you know. You brush your teeth this morning, girl?
Yes, I don't understand why you're acting like that.
No, man. Me can't do nothing for you today, you know. My
What?
gosh. How what me do for you if I make you come do this to me? Alright. Oi. You have to go make one next appointment. You didn't brush your teeth. You can't taste it in your mouth.
Taste what?
Oh my lord. May I go prescribe one toothpaste and toothbrush for you?
Okay.
And you need to come back next week. Alright, cause we can't do nothing right now. That bad, that really bad. Oh my gosh, me hide them. Alright, see the toothpaste here and the toothbrush. See them here? Me don't really care how much of this you want to use. Just make sure you're everywhere in your mouth, right? And use this for scrub.
Okay,
I'm gonna put no
like a
come close to me.
mouthwash.
I'm gonna put them here so and just pick them up. Alright? When you leave, go to the reception and tell them say go to and oh my gosh, mommy I them and tell them say you want to make a next appointment for next week. Thank you. You can go now.
But thank you.